Changing your personal details. If you need to update your personal details, such as your address or contact information, sign in or create an online account and go to Personal Details. Here you'll see the details we currently hold for you. Your address, phone numbers and email address can all be updated in your account. But if you notice your name or date of birth is incorrect, you'll need to call us about this. If you need to update any of your contact details, press one of the blue buttons. Here we'll show how to update your address. Simply follow the screens and enter the details for your new address. You can search by postcode or enter the details manually. Once you're happy the new address is correct, save it in your online account. You'll then see a screen confirming your address has been updated and will send you an email to confirm too. Your new address will then be shown in the Personal Details section of your account.